review them, show them to you guys, and unbox them, even though I'm completely exhausted today.
Put your head on my shoulder.
Hey peoples, my grandma went on a cruise and she got me some new summer jewelry and I am so excited. I'm so thankful for that. I just wanted to review them, show them to you guys, and unbox them, even though I'm completely exhausted today. I'm so excited to unbox this jewelry for you guys today. This is my new summer jewelry. I'm starting to make a summer jewelry collection, guys, so let me know if you guys want to see a jewelry collection, a jewelry haul, any more jewelry videos, and let's just get started. Y'all, it's hot, but here is my jewelry. It is by Bella Perlina. Comes in this little jewelry box thing. Not intended for children 12 and under. Says that on the back, so yikes, I guess. Will you marry me? No, I'm joking. But this is the inside. It says Bella Perlina. Velvety inside. And this is called Effie, from New York. Estimated 1979. This is a really cute necklace. I really love this. It's blue and this came with the box, so. And on the inside, guys, these are some bracelets, y'all. They're really nice summer bracelets. Let me try one on for you guys. It's a really cute charm bracelet. It has palm trees. It has letter B, and I don't mind. My first name doesn't start with a B, obviously, but my last name starts with a B, so I don't mind. It has a heart right here, and it's really cute. Y'all, I just realized the B charms on the bracelet stood for the brand name Bella Perlina. Oh well, I'm still about to say that it stands for my last name, Branch, but don't mind this part, it's broken. But the last two bracelets, one has an interesting cruise ship and the other one has a nice, cute sandal. I really like this. Right here it says one size fits all. Right here it says cruising in style because like I said, she got it on a cruise ship. And right here it says that this was $95. My grandma be balling, y'all. Let me tell y'all. So on the inside, they give me extra charms in case I break or lose one of the charms on my bracelet now. They also give me their card. On the front, it says Bella Perlina, make it personal, add and remove charms, unscrew clasp, add on your favorite charms. And their website is www.bellaperlina.com. So my grandma basically chose these charms and put it on herself. On the back, it says care instructions, use a damp soft cloth to keep jewelry clean, avoid substances like chlorine, salt water, and chemical jewelry cleaners as they will damage your jewelry. Period. Okay, yeah, so that's basically all. I really love these bracelets and I really think that they are so adorable and so cute and I can't wait to wear them. You guys definitely will see me wearing them in my upcoming videos. That is all for today's video. Once again, let me know if you guys want to see more jewelry collection, jewelry hauls, and any jewelry type of video. Don't worry, I'm going to be coming out with more content on my channel very soon, so stay tuned. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment if y'all want, click the bell icon so you can get notification every time I post a brand new video, and I will see y'all on the next one. Bye!